Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to go over the top 2 reasons why your Whirlpool Cabrio dryer is squealing. So if it sounds like this, more than likely it's your either pulley. But don't worry, we'll go over the top 2 reasons why your machine is making these noises. So the first one, the squealing, of course, will be your dryer idler pulley. This is the top reason. As you can see here in the diagram, and also I'll leave a link in the description below to the full video. But this is the idler pulley itself. This part of the video came from the main video, but this is what you'll be replacing. This is what is making that squealing sound. Very common reason. So the second top reason is going to be the dryer drum roller wheels. So these will make a grinding sound, or even sometimes a squealing sound. And also this dryer, the Whirlpool Cabrio dryers, actually take 6 wheels. So if you want to replace all the wheels, make sure you do get 6, and they're 3 in the back, and then they're also 3 in the front. And here's a clip of the video that I will leave in the description below if you need a full detailed video of how to disassemble this dryer to replace these parts. So you're probably asking yourself, so what does it cost to have this done, this type of job? So for this cost of the repair, from doing my research, the cost of this idler pulley for the Whirlpool dryer typically range between $265 and $420 in the US, which includes labor. This price applies solely for the idler pulley and not additional parts. If you're comfortable doing this repair yourself, you can purchase the idler pulley online. They usually run anywhere between $20 to $60 depending on the specific model number. So hopefully this helps. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you're interested in watching the full video, just click the link in the description below and it'll link you to the other YouTube video. So yeah, have a good day and thanks for watching.